हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो। मैं हूं आपका होस्ट ओमी और आज है मंडे। सो विल गेट इनटू द मार्केट अपडेट्स एंड सी व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन द मार्केट्स एंड आई होप you guys had a good weekend and had a good rest. So let's get into the markets and see what's happening. Let's start with our fear and greed index and see what's happening there. So yesterday was 27, आज is 26. We're back into deep fear levels, but nothing to worry. We understand that because it's the end of the month, so it's quite expected. Towards the end of the month, things like this are quite expected because a lot of people, small investor, big investors, they need to give money back to their people who they owe money or the people who had invested money with, and a small retail investor needs to pay his household rents, duties, insurance, or whatever money he owes to the bank. So having said that, let's see what happens. It's at 26. I'm hoping markets to recover a bit later in the day, and most probably we're gonna see some bullish movements maybe about later in the evening as the US and the Western world wakes up. So let's see what happens and let's get into our coin cap, and it's asking me to log in. I'll log in anyhow. Right now BTC's dominance is about 42.4, Ethereum's dominance is 18.7. So what happened was Ethereum was quite low and it came back. Gas piece is very high right now, it's about 81. So it was very low, it slowly recovered, and now Ethereum is doing a lot better. And what else do we have in the markets now? We have is a global market. Crypto is 1.94 trillion. It's an increase of 6.98% over the last day. Bitcoin dominance is currently at 42.42%, a decrease of 0.43 over the last day. Excuse me. So right now what we can see is BTC is trading about at 43,828. Green. Ethereum did very well. Ethereum went down almost to 2,700 and then it rallied back up in a few minutes, which was amazing to see. Cardano's back up. Cardano, we've been talking about, has a lot of bullish events in this week. We have USDT, Binance Coin, Ripple, Solana, Polkadot, Doge, Uniswap, AVAX, Terra Luna. Mainly everything is doing well. Let's just scroll through and see what's happening. Alright, that's good to see. It's a very nice green day, so it's always nice to see on a Monday things are green, you expect good. So let's see how this week also goes. Alright, this is XDC network is about 24% up. Wow, SushiSwap is about 29, about almost 30% up. Good to see that. Curve DAO token CRV is about 25% up. Good to see that too. Basic attention token, Telcoin, audio. Alright, so what we can do now is we get into seeing what else do we have. Perpetual protocol gained about 64%, that's massive gains. OKB about 17%, Uniswap about 38%, 29%, 25%, 25%. A lot of massive gainers. Algo did very well. We've seen last few weeks Algo wasn't doing so well. It was in like a pullback and a correction mode, but slowly Algo is also doing better. Mina ke halat are good, Pancake Swap good, because everything almost dumped and slowly it's recovered. And the best thing is we're into Monday or market already recovered ho gayi hai. So this is a very nice sign for us. Ethereum right now is at 3,102. It had a very nice run. Mainly markets are good. Let's see which were the losers so we know if we have any buying opportunities today. So we have a few losers. We have Tezos here. That's about it. Not few. We only have one. So that was Tezos. Otherwise most of the market is doing well. Let's scroll through to be convinced. I guess yes it is. So the most market is green. Only we've seen Tezos and SED Leo, Leo, and about red. Both of them are not really much that red, about 1%, and this is about also another 1%. So should be all right. Let's see how far are we from alt season. On this index we usually get to see what's happening. So we're at 59. It's a very good alt year. Altcoin month index is about right in the center, not much. 59 is good for us. Things are looking good. I'm expecting a very nice bull run for alts in early October. We can see excess here, mainly all the alts. Alright, looks interesting. Main thing is for us to see we're closer to alt season than Bitcoin season right now, so that's good for us. Let's see what's happening on coin market cal, so we know what events are coming. अगले कहाँ meetup हैं, क्या events हैं. Alright, we have this. This is a Binance Smart Chain event, card starter. That's a Cardano, and then Solana, Solanium. Alright, Larix made some massive gains, but I think 3-4% appreciated in the last few days. Let's go on like the other page and see what's happening. KubeCoin, KuCoin, some new coin is coming on KuCoin. Radium has an event. Radium is getting listed on Kraken listing. Terra Luna has an event. Octopus Network, Beefy Finance. Beefy Finance works with almost everyone, with Ethereum, with Polygon, with I think Cardano as well. They have some projects, not sure, but I'm very sure about Polygon and Ethereum. Let's see what other events. Is there anything nice big event, because it's the end of the month? DAO Maker has a very big event at Binance Smart Chain, because usually towards the end of the month बहुत सारे events आते हैं. So Starship has an event. Let's go to another page too. Pancake has an event. We just saw Pancake was pumping. Still about $19, but it can go up easily to 24, 25. Alright, we've seen quite enough events today. Let's scroll through news. China fear is now infrastructure bill. 5 things to watch in Bitcoin this week. Genesis test of end of day pricing institutional crypto futures products. Nothing important as I scroll down, because it was like a weekend, usually there's not much news, so it's all right. Let's get into our TA and see what's happening in the market. Okay, as always we start with Ethereum dominance. Good to see the dominance is back. Like I was speaking, it went down to these levels. So let's see in 4 hours. It almost went down to these levels, और फिर अब यहाँ से उठ के we came back up. The last time we went to these levels was somewhere around July. So we had a very nice time from July to almost 2 months, 27 to 28, 27 September and then 28 July. So very nice period here. We made a nice M. So let's see what's happening in BTC dominance. BTC की dominance is quite stuck on the yellow line. It's not letting go of it. Like you can see, we've been here since 17 September and we came here on 7 September, and then just almost the whole September has just been like rolling here. So it's alright. I just don't want it to make any more highs like these, because if it does something like this, तो फिर market bleed होगी. We don't want the market to bleed anymore. I really want to finish the month of September around 43. That would be a very very bullish sign for me. तो Ethereum को देखते हैं. Ethereum is nicely controlling on our zone here. अब जैसे ये चला गया था, देखें 2.6 almost, about 2.650 चला गया था और फिर 2.650 से ऊपर आया, फिर वापस इधर आ गया था. That was 2.7, फिर ये आया 2.7 on 26 September, and then it pumped again in a few hours, went back up here. Now it's consolidating here. I am just hoping it's going to be sideways and it's going to take support somewhere here. हो सकता है थोड़ा नीचे जाए, but don't really see it breaking the 2000 600-700, it will always bounce back from there. AXS को देखते हैं. AXS is coming out of the support now. और KSM को भी देखते हैं. KSM is क्योंकि अब इवेंट हो गया है पैराचेन का, so there's not much bullish news now. Have to wait कि who's gonna win other slots and what happens. तो फिर maybe KSM might come. Right now though it's sideways. You can see we had a breakout here, and then we dropped. We came out of even our trend, and now we've been sideways for some time now. So it's okay. It can go to 400 or 364, 370 quite easily. Cake को देखते हैं. We just saw Cake has a event coming up. So Cake is in this zone. I always see Cake between 17 and it spends a lot of time here. You can see here also, here also, here also, and these are just the highs. So 26 was the recent, and the most recent would be about 23, 24. लिंक अभी ऊपर चला गया था, वापस नीचे आ गया. Was about 25. Yeah, as we can see, just came down. I saw it about at 25.5. So link is also alright. It's could like being sideways. Most of the market what I'm seeing now is sideways. तो dot को भी देखते हैं. What is dot doing? I think dot should pump very soon. I don't see any reason कि डॉट जो है अभी भी ये 30, 40, 20 की रेंज में रहेगा. आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग डॉट टू मेक सम वेरी बुलिश मूवमेंट्स, नॉट सिमिलर टू सोलाना, बट ऐसा तो होना चाहिए कि इट वुड गो बैक अप टू एटलीस्ट 50, 60, 70, 80. From 50 to 80 it will make a new zone for itself. I hope so, but let's see what happens there too. Or let's see what's happening in Uni. Uni unfortunately had the bad SEC issue, और उसके बाद से we are seeing Uni quite down. Very nice pump done by Uni here. It was at 18 on 26. At 18 it went back up to 25, and now it's consolidating here. Because if we see, it was on a high, it broke out from here from my wedge, from my triangle, and then when it went up and came down because the news already broke out somewhere here. ये तो एक normal dump था, which we've seen in BTC, LTC and a lot of coins, but basically the news also broke somewhere here, so it never went back up, and it's just been making higher lows. Yep, this was a higher high and this was a higher low, so it's in a bearish trap right now. Let's see Theta. Theta has made some gains. Theta is also like stuck sideways and even gone out from my support zone. It's like testing the support zone around there. Let's see ADA, क्योंकि हमने देखा ADA के so many events आ रहे हैं, so we need to see how ADA is doing. So ADA is also in my zone, as we can see. The reason I make these zones and fix everything in front of you, so you guys learn how to do those things. When I always bring them picture perfect for you. You like the picture but you won't learn anything, So XRP भी हमारे zone में. Most things are in my zone today. So Doge, let's just see it once. No issues. डोज तो नीचे आया हुआ है हर जगह से, इवन हमारे अभी सपोर्ट से भी दूर चला गया. तो सोलाना को देखते हैं. सोलाना बहुत टाइम से हवर कर रहा है अराउंड ये 130 वाले जोन में. इट्स ट्राइंग टू गो बैक. इट माइट हैव अ ब्रेकआउट वेरी सून, नेवर नो, बट लेट्स सी. सोलाना इज ऑल राइट, क्वाइट स्टेबल, वॉल्यूम भी है. यस 4 आवर में चेक करते हैं सोलाना को. Looks all right, nothing to really worry right now. और AR देखते हैं. AR is all right too, just sitting here. ये भी 54 और 40 के जोन में ट्रेड कर रहा है. Ray is all right. Matic, VeChain, Luna को देखते हैं, because we just saw Luna has a event coming, so it's very important to see कि Luna will act how. So okay, Luna is trading around 41, and 32. So about similar pattern. EGLD को भी देखते हैं. EGLD is trading from 200 to 230. If it does, I don't see it making any high now, because this was the first high 258 and then it went 230. So yeah, let's see Stellar. I think Stellar might have a good bull run too. Other than Stellar, we can see C98 is sideways. FTM is trading between the zones of 1.3, 1.1 and is sideways from 1.2 right now. It made a nice gain yesterday. I saw this वाला pump and उसके बाद ये sideways हो गया था. FTT को भी देखते हैं. FTT ने एक बहुत अच्छा बुल रन में हमें यहाँ पे दिखाया. अप ट्रेंड के अंदर बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग एक 86 बनाया और उसके बाद इट ब्रोक इट्स ट्रेंड and now it's been sideways. It's been like trading in the zones of 59 to 49. So it's basically come back into this area where it used to be, but यहाँ पे we saw massive pumps, so we didn't spend much time here. Here we're spending a lot of time cover up कर रहे हैं यहाँ के lost time को. This is it. I think most market is all right. We'll see Ethereum and BTC once. फिर में भी देखते हैं कि which levels BTC is at. So it's basically at 0.382 to 0.5. Good zones for us. और Ethereum का भी हम फिर देखते हैं. Ethereum is also trading between 0.3 and 0.5. It's right now above 0.5. So it's basically 0.6 and 0.5. Ethereum is looking better right now. वो इसलिए because its dominance we can see is increasing. It's nearing 19 now. There, just bounced back from 18-17. So it's all right. Market looks very good. I'm expecting a short pump or a bit of good momentum towards afternoon, evening. That would be good times. I guess this is all from me from today. I hope you like the video. You got something to learn from, and just take care of you guys. And I'll be out, guys. This is it from me. Bye bye.